Happy morning, dears. How are you all? Hope you all are doing good and safe at home. Have you all had your breakfast? Yes. Shall we start today's session? So, we completed the first lesson. Let's see the book back exercises today. Okay? Take your book, Geography Unit 1. Take page number 171. Okay? 171. Let's see book back exercises. Okay, dears. First one. Fill in the blanks. A. Fill in the blanks. 1. The universe was formed after dash explosion. The answer is Big Bang. B-I-G. Big Bang. B-A-N-G. Bang. Big Bang. Second one. Dash is the unit used to measure the distance between two celestial bodies. The answer is light year. L-I-G-H-T. Light year. Y-E-A-R. Year. Light year. Third one. Dash is the center of the solar system. The answer is the sun. T-H-E. The sun. S-U-N. Sun. Fourth one. The word planet means dash. The answer is wanderer. W-A-N-D-E-R-E-R. Wanderer. Fifth one. Dash planet has many natural satellites. The answer is Jupiter. J-U-P-I-T-E-R. Jupiter. Sixth one. India's first ever mission to the moon is dash. The answer is Chandrayaan 1. C-H-A-N-D-R-A-Y-A-A-N. Chandrayaan 1. Seventh one. Earth is inclined by dash degrees. The answer is 23 and half, which means 1 by 2. Okay, like this you have to write in your book. 23 and half degrees. Eighth one. The equator faces the sun directly on dash and dash. The answer is 21st March. M-A-R-C-H. March. And 23rd September. Okay. 21st March and 23rd September. Ninth one. At the time of perihelion, the earth is dash to the sun. The answer is closest. C-L-O-S-E-S-T. Closest to the sun. 10th one. The line which divides day and night on the earth's surface is dash. Terminator line. T-E-R-M-I-N-A-T-O-R. Terminator line. L-I-N-E. Line. B. Choose the best answer. First one. The movement of the earth on its axis is called Option C, rotation. The movement of the earth on its axis is called rotation. Second one, the Tropic of Capricorn faces the sun directly on option D, December 22. The Tropic of Capricorn faces the sun directly on December 22. Third one, the galaxy in which our solar system is found is option C, Milky Way. The galaxy in which our solar system is found in Milky Way. Okay. Take page number 172. The fourth one, the only celestial body where man has successfully landed was option B, moon. The only celestial body where man has successfully landed is moon. Fifth one, which of the following planets can float on water? Option B, Saturn. Saturn is a planet can float on water. Okay. Next one. C. Circle the odd one out. First one, Venus, Jupiter, Neptune, Saturn. Venus is the odd one. So circle Venus. Second one, Sirius, Andromeda, Milky Way, Magellanic Clouds. The odd one is Sirius. Circle Sirius. Okay. Third one, Pluto, Eris, Ceres, Io. The odd one is Io. I-O. Okay. Fourth one, comet, asteroids, meteoroids, dwarf planets. The odd one is dwarf planet. It is a single word. Okay. So, round, circle these ones. Fifth one, rover, orbiter, aeroplane, space shuttle. The odd one is aeroplane. The odd one is aeroplane. D. Match the following. First one, hottest planet. Which one is the hottest planet? Venus. Hottest planet, Venus. Second one, ringed planet, Saturn. Ringed planet, Saturn. Red planet, Mars. Red planet, Mars. Somersaulting planet, Uranus. Somersaulting planet, Uranus. Coldest planet, Neptune. Coldest planet is Neptune. E. First one, consider the following statements. First one, match the following answer is 3, 5, 1, 2, 4. Okay. Consider the following statements. First one, Venus rotates from east to west. Second one, the Tropic of Cancer faces the sun on June 21st. Third one, Mars has rings around it. Choose the correct answer using the codes given below. The answer is A. 1 and 2. Okay, 1 and 2 is the answer. Second one, which of the statements is true? Statement 1. Earth is called a watery planet. Statement 2. The rotation of the earth causes seasons. The rotation of the earth causes day and night, right? So, this one is a wrong one. Option A, 1 is true. Statement 2 is wrong. Option A is the right answer. Next one. F. Name the following. First one, cluster of stars. Answer is galaxy. 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 Second one, the nearest galaxy to the solar system. The answer is Andromeda. 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 Third one, the brightest planet. The answer is Venus. 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 Fourth one, the living sphere. Answer is biosphere. 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 Fifth one, the year which has 366 days. Leap year. Leapyear. Leap year. Okay. G. Answer in brief. First one, name the inner planets. The answer is Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. These are the inner planets. Or you have to write like the inner planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. Second one, Pluto is no longer a planet. Reason out page number 167. Take page number 167. The answer is Pluto share its orbit with other dwarf planets. What is the answer? Pluto share its orbit with other dwarf planets. So, Pluto is no longer a planet. Okay. Third one, what is perihelion? What is perihelion? Take page number 169. 169. Here is the answer. Perihelion is the Earth's closest position to the Sun. G. Third question. Perihelion is the Earth's closest position to the Sun. Next one. Fourth question. How many times in the year would you find the Sun overhead if you lived on 20° north latitude? The answer is 2 times. The answer is 2 times in the year we find the Sun overhead if we lived on 20° north latitude. Okay. Fifth one. Which celestial body shares its orbit with others? Give an example. Dwarf planet. For example, Pluto. Dwarf planet is a celestial body, shares its orbit with others. Give an example, Pluto. Next one, give reasons. First one, why is Uranus called the somersaulting planet? Page number 165. Its axis is tilted so much that it appears to orbit the Sun on its sides like a rolling ball. H, first question. Okay, its axis is tilted so much that it appears to orbit the sun on its sides like a rolling ball. H la first question answer. Next one. Second, the surface of the moon has many craters. Give reasons. Page number 167. The answer is here. The surface of the moon is characterized by craters created by the impact of meteors. Created by the impact of meteors is the answer. H, second question. Okay. H, second question. Page number 167. The surface of the moon is characterized by craters created by the impact of meteors. Next one. Third, the velocity of the Earth's rotation is 0 at poles. Give reason. You have to write this question in your classwork note. I have done it roughly here. Okay, note it down on your classwork note. The answer is H, third question. Answer is the exact tip of the Earth's pole doesn't move. Full stop. So, the velocity is 0 at the poles. Note it down, dears. Note it on your classwork note. The exact tip of the Earth's pole doesn't move. So, the velocity is 0 at the poles. Have you all write it down? Shall we move on to the next one, dears? Next one, I answer in detail. First one, distinguish between inner and outer planets. Also, you have to write this answer in your classwork note. Okay? Here I have done for you. You have to draw a box and partition into two. Divide it into two by putting a center line. So, inner and outer planets. First one, inner planets. Here, outer planets. First point, the four planets. The four planets nearer to the sun are called inner planets. This one is the first point. Okay. The four planets nearer to the sun are called inner planets. Outer planets, first point. The last four planets are called outer planets. The last four planets are called outer planets. Inner planets, second point. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. Full stop. Okay. Outer planets, second point. They are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Inner planets, third point. Terrestrial planets. Terrestrial planets. Outer planets, it is otherwise called as jovial planets. jovial planets. Inner planets, the 4 planets nearer to the sun are called inner planets. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. Third point, terrestrial planets. Outer planets, first point, the last 4 planets are called outer planets. Second point, they are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Third one, jovial planets. Okay. Have you all write it down? Let's move on to the next one. Second question. What are the effects of rotation and revolution? Page number 168 and 169. What are the effects of rotation and revolution? Rotation. First point, it is the spinning movement of the earth on its axis. It is a first point. Second point, the rotation of the earth causes day and night. It is the second point. Next, revolution. It is the movement of the earth around the sun on its elliptical path. On its elliptical path. First point. And the second point is revolution around the sun cause different seasons. This one is a second point. So rotation consists of 2 points and revolution consists of 2 points. Okay. Euler 2. Okay. Next one. Explain the characteristics of the various spheres of the earth. Take page number 170. Here is the answer. Explain the characteristic. Okay. So first we have to write spheres of the earth. Spheres of the earth. The 3 major components that we call as the realms of the earth: lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. You have to write this one, this point. Next one, lithosphere is a topic. Then you have to write, it is the solid outer layer of the earth consisting of rocks and soil. Next one, hydrosphere. The word hydro means water in Greek. The hydrosphere consists of water bodies such as oceans, seas, rivers and lakes. Next one, atmosphere. The word atmo means air in Greek. First point. Second point, different types of gases make up the atmosphere. The major gases are nitrogen 78% and oxygen 21%. Next one, biosphere. Bio means life in Greek. It consists of distinct zones. Each zone has its own climate, plant and animal life. This is the end of third question. Okay. Euler, third question. Detailed question. Okay. Let's see the next one. Picture study. picture study. Study the picture. Here is the picture and answer the given question. Okay. First one is a Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Okay. I have not done it on my book. You have to write it in your book. Okay. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Okay. Which one is the closest planet to the sun? Which one is the closest planet? First planet is Mercury. Here is a Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. Mercury. Mercury. Second one. Which is the largest planet? Which one is the largest planet? This one is the largest one, right? It is Jupiter. It is Jupiter. 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 Third one. Which is the farthest planet from the sun? The answer is Neptune. Which is the farthest planet? Last one is the farthest planet. It is Neptune. 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 Fourth one. Which is the second smallest planet? Which is the second smallest planet? The answer is, here is the smallest planet. Right? First one is also a smallest planet. They asked second smallest. First smallest. This one is the second smallest. It is Mars. 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 So you have to done this. I will help you. First one is the Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Okay. Which is the closest planet? Mercury. Which is the largest planet? Jupiter. Which is the farthest planet? Neptune. Which is the second smallest planet? Mars. Okay. Next one. Look at the picture and answer the questions given below. Okay. Do you identify which planet it is? It is Uranus because it is green in color, right? So it is Uranus. Identify the planet. It is Uranus. 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 B. What is the color of the planet? It is green in color. Green. Green. C. Why is it of this color? ஏன் இந்த கலர்ல இருக்கு? It is green because of the presence of methane. It is green because of the presence of methane. Okay. So it is green in color because of the presence of methane. Okay dears. Today your assignment is G. Okay. Answer in brief. G. You have 5 questions only. Very short answers you have. Write it in your homework note. Write it in your homework note and take a picture of it and send it in our group. Okay. Neat it. Write it clearly and neatly. Okay. And students, those who have not paid your school fees, kindly pay in our school and get your books immediately. Okay children, thank you.